Hello, my peeps. Welcome to day 3 of the 2025 12 Days of Crafting Advent Calendar. So to recap, no, I won't do that every day, but we know we have the gorgeous paper from yesterday. I won't make it as long. I will do it, just not as long. We've got our stamp set that came with the initially that we didn't even have to open. It was just there. And then day 1 was our dies. And, ooh, day 3 is a tiny box. You know what they say? Good things come in small packages. And again, I'm just, somehow I can't do that one left-handed as well as I can do the right-handed one. So I'll just use my little crafting blade. And I will just give us a little start to the window. And that way I can, there we go. Ooh. We got a big bag of golden goodies of something. What are they? Holy cow, that is a lot of embellishments. Sorry, I just realized I'm not even on screen. Here, just a minute. Let me open this little baggie so I don't spill them all over everywhere. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of them in this bag. Look how big this. And so they're flat on one side and rounded on the other side. And I think I see, yeah, I think I just see 2 sizes, which is nice. But look at those. Oh, I like the idea that they come just like that in a bag. Look at, some of them are upside down. They're not all the right way up, but look at that. Glittery little gold. Oh, nice. And seriously, there is a ton of them in this bag. Let's just see how I'm going to get these in without spilling them everywhere. Okay, number 3, embellishments for the win. Ooh, that's awesome. All right, short video today. Quick reveal. With any luck, they'll be like that all the time, but let's see how it goes. All right, thanks, peeps. See you for day 4.